Hello guys. Are you looking drone with 4K camera? In this video, I will show you top 5 best budget drones to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. JJRC Drone with camera. Brand name, JJRC. A super cool drone which is exactly the beginner drone that you need. With the special appearance, you will love it at the first sight. Functions: up down, turn left right, forward backward, sideward flight, headless mode, altitude hold, GPS, Wi-Fi FPV, 1 key return, 1 key takeoff landing, follow me. Brushless motor, equipped with MT1806 1500 kV brushless motor, ensure low friction during engine operation and reduce heat production. With attractive headless mode, completely solving pilot loss of orientation problems. GPS positioning and altitude hold function offer worry-free stable flight. 1 key taking off landing makes the operation more convenient, and it is very suitable for novice operation. With point of interest function, your aircraft will continuously circle clockwise around the preset point. Follow me function: the aircraft's camera will recognize human figure and follow him automatically and capture his movement with a particular aerial view. 1 key return will guide the aircraft fly back to the home point. Number 4. SeaLandAir Drone with 4K HD camera. Brand name, SeaLandAir. GPS intelligent positioning, optical flow module plus GPS module positioning system that allows indoor and outdoor have good hover flight performance. Beginner mode, built-in geofence for the novice, high limit distance flight, so that novices can safely ease of use. Intelligent control, a key takeoff, landing, a key to return, other functions, so the flight is no longer difficult. Secure flight, low return, lost to return, out of control, a variety of security protection mode, return flight, to ensure flight safety. Various flight modes: high fixed, fixed point, follow around, pointing, track, and other intelligent flight mode, can meet the needs of different scenarios. High definition camera, FPV 4K 120 degrees wide angle HD camera. Flight camera video at the same time, in a different perspective, composition obtained, unusual works. Foldable mini drone, designed to be portable. The Quadcopter features a foldable arm design, allowing for carrying anywhere on the go without hassle. Function: ascending, descending, turn left, turn right, fly left and right, take off and land with 1 button, return to home with 1 button, Wi-Fi image transmission, remote control camera video. Fast and slow files. App additional functions: mobile phone control, follow, surround, map, track flight, headless mode, electronic fence. Number 3. JJRC 4K camera brushless quadcopter. Brand name, JJRC. GPS 1 button return to the takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. GPS intelligent follow, image follow. Gesture photo, within 1 to 3 meters, multi-point planning flight of the route. Fixed point surround, the aircraft recovery function. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times in succession to open the map interface. The map shows the final distance of the aircraft, the latitude and longitude position. Pictures, music and video sharing: you can share photos by single or multiple selections, and the videos can only be shared individually at a time. 4K wide angle, 110 degree adjustable camera. Long remote control distance 1200 m. Long battery life, long flight time 75 minutes, 3 batteries, 25 minutes, 1 battery. 2-axis mechanical stabilizing gimbal camera. Rechargeable remote control battery, 3.5 hours endurance time. Support SD card, memory card not included. Number 2. JI Professional RC Quadcopter. Brand name, JI. GPS returns to takeoff point with low power and no signal. GPS intelligent following: after the aircraft links the GPS, it opens the app following function, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Image following: recognizes the shooting object and follow the flight automatically. Gesture photography and recognition: within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make photographic gesture in front of the camera. Route multi-point planning flight, The aircraft autonomously flies according to the preset route. The player concentrates on shooting fixed points around, find the center of the surround, and then move the desired surround radius through the rocker. Track and recall the drone. Click on the GPS signal icon 3 times, open the map interface. The map shows the final distance of the aircraft, longitude and latitude position. Photo and video sharing. Photos can be shared singly or selectively, and videos can only be shared individually at a time. Number 1. JJRC Drone with 1080p camera. Brand name, OCDAY. GPS positioning and barometer height setting to achieve outdoor height setting. Stable flight, high-definition aerial photography. Advanced 2-axis hollow cup platform, more stable video recording. The remote control has the functions of photographing, tilt angle adjustment, rudder mount, 1-key unlocking landing, headless mode, GPS return, GPS attitude mode conversion. Battery seal design, reasonable installation structure, special balance charger, more extended battery life. Wi-Fi 1080p HD camera, with small image transmission delay and a transmission distance of about 500 meters. Special app, simple operation interface, with data return OSD overlay function, 1-key unlocking landing, GPS return, waypoint planning, follow, interest point surround function. The aircraft has dip angle protection, locked rotor protection, runaway return, low power return, electronic fence, etc. Unique two-way transmission function, real-time transmission of dynamic data information such as aircraft voltage, flight height, distance, speed, etc. to the remote control LCD screen.